Okay, boys and girls, so for this workbook page, all you're doing again is writing yes or no. But listen, I will read the words to you. You are looking to hear the same vowel sound. And what you will have to do is circle the vowel sound, or you might have to, if it's an A consonant E, you might have to put a horseshoe around it. Okay? So, do these two words have the same vowel sound? Ready? Number one, cap, cape. Right, yes or no? Number two, wag, wade. Yes or no? Number three, rate, rain. Yes or no? And don't forget, you need to be circling the vowel sound in each word. Number four, stake, weight. Right, yes or no? Number five, sand, sad. Yes or no? Number six, hate, hat. Yes or no? Number seven, paid, paper. Do they have the same vowel sound? Yes or no? Number eight, faint, play. Do they have the same vowel sound? Yes or no? Number nine, pat, pay. Yes or no? Have a good day.